Hey guys, my name is Minnie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a hair tutorial. I recently got a request from Jung. He said, my older sister Quinn is a little shy. She wants to ask you if you can either do a hair tutorial or let her know how you can make your hair look very flowy and lots of curve at the bottom, as she really loves your look in the soft purple eyes video. Which hair products do you use? Hope you can answer her. Okay, Jung, I'm going to do this look for you and Quinn. The curling iron I'm going to use today is the GHD Curve Soft Curl 1.25. You can get this on Sephora or on their own website or at Ulta Beauty. It's about $200, but it's so worth it because it protects your hair and it also heats up so quickly, and if you don't use it and you forget to turn it off, it will automatically turn off for you. On Sephora, it explains this curling iron is an extraordinary curling iron with tri-zone technology to guarantee a constant, even, optimum temperature for soft, voluminous waves that last. Very soft waves. It's not gonna be like crazy waves, and it's not gonna give you that boom, but it will give you the softness that you need for the soft look that Jung is asking for. So we're going to use this GHD curling iron and make this baby look soft. I'm going to split my hair from side to side evenly as much as possible, like this, and then go from the back. I'm going to pull a little bit, about an inch piece, and then curl it. You can count to 10, sing happy birthday, whatever you're comfortable with. I'm going to hold it for a moment, maybe about 10 seconds, something like that. And then the next layer, I'm going to pull a little bit right here, about an inch, same thing, and then go the opposite way. Just kind of curl it this way, go in like that, hold it for 10 seconds, and just think about something else. Sometimes I kind of get lazy and I just want to take it out and go fast, but it's really worth it if you just be patient and hold it longer for the curls to last. Okay, here you go. Pull it back, pull another inch. Every other curl, I curl outwards and then I curl inwards. This one is outwards. Hold it for 10 seconds. Do something. Think about it. Think about how you're going to make this last all day. The reason why I go outwards and inwards is because I wanted to create this dimension and texture in my hair. So if you go all certain ways, it's going to make your hair blow back and look very 80s and old school. But if you do back and forth, it will give you that multiple texture and more volume, more dimension. Okay, I'm going to continue to do this throughout the whole head. Okay, I got one side of the hair done. Now I'm going to work on the other side. The key to keeping your hair curled is to take little pieces of your hair, just like tiny pieces like this. If you take a whole piece like this, it's not gonna last as long and it's not gonna give you a lot of texture. So if you have time, take the time to take small pieces of your hair, maybe even half an inch each, and curl them back, outwards and inwards. When you take small pieces of your hair to curl, it will give you more dimension in your hair, and that will look much more pretty. So my hair is curled. I'm going to go back and get little pieces on the top and curl them just to give that extra dimension just on the top of my head. Just 1 or 2 strands, give it more dimension. Hold it for like 5-10 seconds each. Just grab a little piece here, curl it, hold it for 5-10 seconds. Grab another one about 2 inches down. Do the same thing, curl it, hold it for 5-10 seconds. My whole hair is curled, and now I'm going to just slightly comb it out with this brush to give it that soft look that Jung and Quinn is asking for. Get this big sexy hairspray and spray my hair. I'm gonna move my hair from this side to the other side and just slightly spray it like this. Okay? And then same thing with the other side. I'm gonna flip it the other way and then spray it this way. And the back of my head as well. Once I got that sprayed, you gotta go upside down. It's gonna be hard here, but I'll show you. Put your head upside down like this. Spray it everywhere right here in the back and also in the front like this. Especially at the tips so that it can keep its curl. Scrunch your hair up like this. Just grab it and just squeeze it. Squeeze it. And then do a flip. A hair flip. Like that. Okay? Once you have that, grab your comb and slightly brush it out so it's nice and clean. You can take a little piece here and then grab this brush, this teasing brush, just slightly tease your hair right there. Grab a little bit more here and then tease your hair. 1, 2, 3. Slight tease your hair. There you go. Same thing. Grab a little piece of your hair and slightly tease your hair. Take it in sections like this. Just 1, 2, and 3. Just 3 sections. Then comb it out. Once you have that, just kind of clean up the edges. Hairspray it down. This is my little baby hair. Gonna clean it down a little bit and then just do a run through of the hairspray again. After you hairspray it, just kind of slightly use your hands to just clean it out a little bit, soften it. With this kind of hairstyle, you don't want to put too much product in it because you don't want it to like be stiff. You want it to be able to flow, and when the wind hits it, you want it to blow. So the minimal is hairspray and a little bit of teasing is good enough. And especially with this GHD hair curler, it's very soft. It's not going to give you like all day kind of hold, but it'll slowly dim down to a much more softer look, even more softer than it is right now. So more like a beach wave kind of look, which I really dig anyway, because sometimes I feel like if it's too much curls, then I feel like it's too overkill and like Shirley Temple kind of type. And it's really difficult to go back and fix because the curls are just like permanent. But this, you can actually maneuver around. If you don't like a certain area, you can go back and re-curl that area to create that nice texture and curl that you want in that certain section. Here's the final look. So I hope this video was very informative. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe.